Hello everybody and welcome back to the Galactic Armory. Today we've got another finished Phase 1 helmet review for you guys, and today I'm going to be covering the SamoilovART Phase 1 Coruscant Guard Trooper. You guys know how much I love the Coruscant Guard, so when I asked SamoilovART if he could make this one for me, I was so excited when he agreed because, yeah, just another great Coruscant Guard helmet to add to the collection, and I think this helmet turned out spectacular. An interesting little fact about this helmet is that up until its appearance in Battlefront 2, I don't think there was a Phase 1 Coruscant Guard anywhere that we saw, so when it arrived in Battlefront 2, it actually made this design canon for the Phase 1 Coruscant Guard Trooper. Me personally, I wish the design had more stripes, but what are you gonna do? Okay, now let's talk about this helmet. My head size is 24.5 inches in circumference around the eyebrow level here, and it fits pretty well. My head size is a little bit bigger than average, so it was a big relief when I actually put this thing on and it fit well, so very happy for that. And the outside of the helmet is just painted beautifully. If we take a closer look, you can see all sorts of weathering details. I think they just did an absolutely fantastic job at this. It makes the helmet look nice and weathered and like it was actually worn into battle, and it gives this piece a lot of realism. Another cool detail is on the back of the mohawk here, you can actually see the reflective red tape. That's required for a lot of 501st CRLs, so really good to see that there. It means you don't have to do it yourself. Now let's take a look inside the helmet. If we look here, you can see it has got some nice padding at the top, the sides, even a little bit of fuzzy padding here on the cheeks. Always good to see that. It's got padding around the visor, around the forehead area there, and up on the cheeks there. Now the mouth holes actually have the nice proper mesh backing to them. If we look inside, you can see that's what this stuff is here. Makes the mouth just look absolutely beautiful. And I'm pretty sure that would meet the 501st qualifications as well. Now the helmet itself is a bit lighter than the one I reviewed last time. For some people that could be a benefit, for others they would like a heavier helmet, but this would be very easy to wear on your head all day so your neck doesn't get tired. It's light enough, but it's still durable enough. It seems like it's made out of casted plastic, and so I think it'd make either a great display piece or a piece that you'd wear to conventions or costume contests, something like that. Now if you want one of these helmets, SamoilovART sells them in a little bit of a different way. He does them in waves, so he'll release like a bunch of helmets all at once and then opens that up for people to buy those. He posts whenever he's going to make the new wave on his Instagram. I'll be sure and link that and his Etsy shop in the description. And he does like a fun little countdown to when the next wave of helmets releases. And trust me guys, this guy sells out of his helmets very quickly, so you're going to want to be a very early bird when those helmets arrive. Okay, just to wrap up, if you guys have not heard of SamoilovART by now and you're a fan of Clone Trooper helmets, you should really have checked out his Instagram and his Etsy shop. He does all sorts of cool, even custom versions of Clone Troopers for people. And this guy's been doing it for years. I mean, back when I started, I remember seeing his Etsy shop and being like, wow, that guy does some great work. So his work and his Etsy shop are already pretty popular, but I just wanted to give my review of it. Maybe convince a few of you guys, if you're looking for a finished helmet, to go check out his shop as well. But for now, that's going to wrap it up. I want to give a big thank you to SamoilovART for sending me this on such a short notice and agreeing to do this project with me. It was amazing. I am very happy with this helmet. I think it just looks fantastic, and it's going to make a fine addition to my collection. So, until the next video, I'll see you guys later.